The intention was not to scare friends, walimu, leaders.
Risk management for me is at the core of financial intermediation, because then it enhances the confidence of customers in what we do, and also the stability of the sector. I think SACCOs have had challenges, and some are happening right now. So risk management will then ensure banks, SACCOs, other financial companies are doing the right thing, be it board members, management. We all adhere to lay down procedures, guidelines, so that we all together have a vibrant and stable financial services sector.
We appreciate that SACCOs are in the financial services sector. They take customer funds, and so basically their funding is the members' contributions, and those same contributions then must be safeguarded, because then essentially we say in the financial services sector the aspect of safeguarding the customer funds is very critical for any organization that is involved in the financial services sector. And so the understanding of how to mitigate, number one is the identification of what are the possible risks. And we say the number one risk in the financial services is then to ensure that the customer deposits are secured. And that security, because then at the end of the day, every organization is looking for a return, and that return can only come if, one, you safeguard the deposit and make sure that that deposit again is also invested well, because the shareholders are looking at a return, and the shareholders for the SACCOs are the SACCO members. And so the SACCO members then look for returns by way of the dividend payments.
Starting with the new challenges in the market, because you can see the market is shifting from the traditional way of handling monies to the new ways, whereby now the business is shifting to the space, the digital space. And so as we move to the digital space, the way we were taking care of ourselves initially is quite different. So we needed to keep coming together to look into these new ways of looking into such like risks. Challenges are normally there because the providers, the software providers, come with their different challenges. The guys that we employ may also play some market tricks along the way. So we are always very cautious that we are getting into a new thing that requires now a lot of consultation and a lot of bringing together experts, so that they can also keep us abreast with the changes in that space.
Currently, SACCOs are experiencing a number of problems based on whatever is happening in the country. Taxation is one of them. We have had very many taxation issues introduced. For example, the housing levy, whereby the employer, both the employer and the employee have to contribute or have to pay towards, for example, the housing levy. Also, the SHA charges are also high, and SSF has also been quite high. Remember, all these are contributory, both from the employer and the employee. So the SACCOs are affected because their revenue now, their revenue streams have been reduced due to the fact that now there are some issues that have arisen due to the tax measures that have been taken that have reduced towards their net surpluses. Members are then also not uptaking loans the way that we expect them to uptake because, of course, the cost of living has gone high, the cost of doing business, the cost of even construction and other issues that members may wish to do of development is also high, and so they are shying away from uptaking loans. This means that the SACCO's business, where they get their revenue from, has also gone down.